as a creative, you have to challenge yourself to create against whatever the thing is that's fighting against you in the real world. So we're fighting against AI. We have to continue. We have to be even more human.
This man said, to fight against AI, we must become more human. I will join you just because of that. I don't care if you started something tomorrow. I'm on your team.
I have a really weird relationship with how deep I'll go into an AI thing. If when it starts feeling like it's doing too much in terms of a creative aspect, kind of back off of it a little bit. It feels like a crutch in a way. Some people love that ease. There are things that we all need help on. As a musician, they say you need a team. You need people to do all these things. AI is making it so that we don't need all these people, and we can kind of do things ourselves to a certain degree with a little bit of more oversight, right? I think you still need people in the mix for the most part, but for the smaller things, a lot of people were doing all these things themselves anyway, and now that we have AI tools to do those administrative things, we can get back to the creating a lot easier. So a lot of those things, I'm looking into more tools that I can use, or maybe transition out of some tools into some other tools, so that I can continue doing the art without being hindered by all the other stuff that I need to do or need to find a person to do. It creates time in the craft for me. So coming back to the things that I use, so Sequence.io will be a thing that I'll be using. Photoshop generative AI is great. I've used Midjourney. I've used Canva for some graphic design needs as well.